Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading Wars, and we're here for yet another day on the battlefield. Today I'm going to be breaking down the intraday price action for the S&P 500, looking at the best trading opportunities, and if you're ready, let's step into the war zone. Okay, everybody, welcome back. So, as always, we're going to start off with what we do every single day. We're going to draw our support and resistance lines. Okay, so yesterday I already have the support and resistance lines drawn up. Yesterday's low, close, and high. And I have two secret purple lines here on hidden support and resistance that some of you might not have seen today, but I'm going to be breaking down where I got those lines from, okay? All right, so like every other day, we have to establish the bias going into today. So we're going to turn to the overnight for some clues on how we should be thinking about trading today. So I'm here on an hourly chart, and coming into 9 a.m., this level that I talked about yesterday, guys, right here on the daily chart, this resistance that I had drawn up right over here, this previous highs back over here, acted as resistance. And when we came over here, we had this drop that was happening overnight. Coming into 9 a.m., we were very extended outside the Bollinger Bands. We were 4 candles down, and we ended up forming this hammer candle in the first hour. So the other clue about the overnight is where we opened ended up being very close to yesterday's low. And as soon as we got these hammer candles, as I always like to talk about, you had a potential entry to go long. And guys, I just wanted to share something with you. So I did call out the long entry over here today. I call out all the entries live, guys. You know, I don't do anything in hindsight. Whether it works or doesn't work, I'm focusing on sharing strategies with you guys so you can develop your own system at the end of the day. So here was the call out, and then here was the actual profit taking analysis. Okay, guys? So going back to here, so we open right at yesterday's low. We have these double hammer candles, very similar to what we see on the weekly chart here, double hammer. So when you see that type of strength, you can just bracket the high, stop loss below the low, and you would have hit 1 to R very, very quickly. Very simple today, guys, okay? And the reason why you kind of want to get out at 1R today is because we are gapping down. When we're gapping down, that itself is a sign of weakness. You have to be careful if you're going to go counter trend, if you're going to go counter against the gap. You have to protect or you have to take targets, okay? And then moving on to the short setup, a lot of you might be wondering where I got this secret magical purple line from. And this is something that I want to talk to you guys about today called Fibonacci levels, which is very, very important. These are levels that algos like to trade off of. These are hidden support and resistance that you do not see, but they are the line in the sand. Okay, guys, I'm going to show you how to do this. So we're going to take the Fibonacci retracement. We're going to go yesterday's high. We're going to take it to the low of the day at the time. And look at that, guys. Right there, 50% retracement. The halfway point was the high of the day today. Okay, guys? So Fibonacci's are very important. You can build a whole trading system around them. Algorithms love to trade on those levels because it's very simple to program a bot to do that. Okay, guys? So this was the 50% hold half. When you get this confirmation candle here, this is the confirmation. This big engulfing red candle taking out the previous low. Entry, stop above the high. Boom, that's your short today. Easily take this down for 4.75 R at the max. Anywhere between 3 to 4 R is definitely achievable on the short setup. Okay, guys? In terms of targets, like I said, with the long, you want to be in and out. You want to be careful. We're gapping down. With the short, here's your 50% retracement on the fibs. Walk this all the way down as long as you can. Okay, guys? And the other purple line that I have here is actually a major support level on the hourly chart. And this support was actually formed in the overnight sessions, guys. So you wouldn't see this on your normal charts in your intraday. So that's why it's important to also look at the support and resistance from the overnight session to give you some guidance on where the markets can reverse. And when we come down here, we get a little long setup. You could potentially ride into the close. Okay, guys? So again, the PNL on 20K, 1R for the longs, 4R for the shorts. That's risking 1 to 2% of a $20,000 account. You can be making 400 on your long, 1600 on your short. And look, guys, we're up, we're positive on the week. That's all that matters. And one thing that I haven't called out in the past, but I want to spend some time on today, guys, is my Twitter. I am posting live ideas for you guys when they're happening real time, okay, not hindsight. so you guys can follow along and learn. That's what it's all about, education and getting better each and every day. Okay, guys, so thanks for joining me. Again, these Fibonacci levels are these hidden lines here that you do not see, but I encourage you guys to do some research, to look into it. If you want more videos on Fibonacci itself, I can definitely break that down for you guys. And thanks for joining me today, and enjoy the rest of your night. Okay, guys, take care.